Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, I talk about cryptocurrencies, I talk about crypto airdrop, crypto news, I give crypto advice. Everything I do here is basically centered around cryptocurrency. So if you're watching my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Almost 8,500 subscribers. That is so amazing. You guys are amazing. Because of you, that is why I make content. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Now, one of the major questions that people ask me as far as cryptocurrency is concerned is, when should I buy a coin? Even the traders, they ask you, when do you jump into the market? How will you know a coin that would pump? How can you filter coins? There are a lot of coins. How do you know they want to trade daily and stuff like that? And there are many ways to actually get coins that would pump. They want to trade daily. Different method, if you watch like various YouTube videos, you're going to see different method, but there are so many ways you can do this. I'll be teaching you guys one of my method. This method, I'm sure you might not have seen it anywhere, and if probably I've seen it somewhere, it's all good. That means somebody else know about the method. Right now, this method, I use TradingView. For those of you that don't know what TradingView is, I think I've done a video a long time ago where I explained TradingView and how TradingView works. You cannot be a trader if you are not using TradingView. TradingView is like a platform where traders use. It is a platform, at the same time a community, at the same time a learning place, at the same time it is so many things, but it is basically for traders and people that are into crypto, forex, stock investment and stuff like that. So we also get news there. There's a community. I will not be focusing on TradingView. I've done a video explaining TradingView and what is obtainable with TradingView, but I'll be teaching you how you can use TradingView to your advantage and use it to sort out coins, especially in the crypto space. In 24 hours, in 1 week, in 1 day, it will help you make smarter and wiser investments, right? One thing you must do for me, I'm pleading, but then it is very important. If you find this content interesting, please make sure you like this video. You like the video, you leave a positive comment. What that will do is it will encourage me to make more interesting videos like this one. You would share my video and also subscribe to my channel. That is the least you can do, right? So without wasting much of our time, let's head over to TradingView. I don't even need to go far. I'm not supposed to be looking at this chart, but I can already see a major resistance here. Oh, this is Bitcoin. I've analyzed this. I didn't even it's just when you have eyes for the market. I've forgotten that when I just saw this place, this is a major resistance. Most likely this should be 45,000 region. Yeah, this is around 45,000. If Bitcoin gets to 45,000, it would, if it doesn't break 45,000, I'm not expecting it to break once. I'm expecting the kind of pullback. There might be a slight pullback around there, and if it breaks above, the next resistance we'll be looking at will be around 47,812. And they can now, if it breaks 45,000 and we get to 47,000, we can now officially say, man, we are in the bullish season. But this is just a distraction. This is not where I was going to. So if you go to tradingview.com and you want to find coins to filter, I'll be teaching you guys how to know coins that you can trade with, the ones you can invest your money in on daily basis, on weekly basis, even in 15 minutes time frame and stuff like that. This method, you need to follow me carefully and make sure you watch to the end so that you will not miss out. Any mistake you make might make you lose money, right? So it is important you follow me to the end. So when you come to tradingview.com, you go to screeners. Under screeners, we have the stock screeners, we have the forex screener, we have crypto screener, we have stock heat map, we have crypto heat map. What we'll be using is the crypto screener. Now, the crypto screener is a place where you can screen various tokens, get information about those tokens, their performance, and you can use various indicators at the same time to filter tokens, right? Now, on this crypto screener, if you come to the default place of this crypto screener, this is what you are going to find on your computer screen. Personally, I have my what do you call it? I've been able to create my own templates I use in this crypto screener, but the default template you will see overview. This overview is going to show you different coins, the ones that have pumped, the amount they've pumped, and stuff like that, right? Now, for example, you look at this particular coin. Some of these coins are on futures, some of them are on spot, some of them are leverage coins and stuff like that. If you don't understand all these things, just keep watching. The one you understand it. Don't focus on the many jargons I'll be using. Focus on the knowledge you're about to get. So from here, you can see some of the coins. The chart is showing you coins that have pumped massively. Like these ones have done crazy amount of percent. There are some that have done crazy thousands of percent and all. Then you can now see some solid and stable coins that have done a couple of percent. Some of these coins are pegged to other coins, but this is not where we are going to. Basically, I'm just trying to explain to you the way this interface work. If this video I think is getting too long, I will have to stop the video and continue later, right? So from here you have the overview, you have performance. Overview is just basically looking at the market, the coins that are high, the ones that are low, and stuff like that. That is the overview. Then we have performance. Now you are filtering based on performance, right? Then we have the oscillation. Look at performance. You can see the ones that are doing crazily well in the last 1 week, in the last 1 month, in the last 3 months, in the last 6 months, like that. So anybody that bought this particular coin, this most likely this is a shit coin. The person could have gotten crazy amount of percent, 1,100 and 1,000. No, this is actually 11,840%, 10,183%. These are shit coins that are pumping massively, right? But this way you can still actually get signals for shit coin. I'm not focusing on shit coin. I'm talking about serious and solid projects. So the easy way to sort out this crypto screener, if you are a trader or you want to buy on your Binance exchange platform, I'll be showing you that. But just keep watching. Let's keep it rolling. I don't want to go too fast. Right, then we have the oscillators, we have the trend following. All these are various ways to actually buy the coin. From the trend following, they could give you signal of coins, buy now, strong buy, neutral and everything. I'm going to tell you something very important. When you see strong buy, it doesn't mean you should go and buy. There's something that is very important, but when we get to that point, I'll explain. When you see strong sell, it doesn't mean exactly that. There's something you need to understand, right? So all these are basic information you can get using the charts, right? In this side of the chart, you're going to see the time frame. If you click down, there's a drop down, 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So in the last 5 minutes, a coin that is pumping, you see it, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. But the problem is, because the trading view I'm using, I'm not using the premium version. I'm okay with the free version, right? You can only use 1 hour, 1 month, 1 week and 1 month. So the 4 hours time frame, all those other lower time frame, you don't have access to them. If you have access to them, it will really help you so much. In the next 15 minutes, you see the coin that is beginning to gain momentum. Next 30 minutes, in the next 1 hour. So if you can pay for the full version of trading view, that would be so nice if you want to. But there's a way I still use